I gotta find Carl and Shelly. Hello?
Rick!
Shane!
You're alive! We thought you were dead!
Where's Carl?
He's with Shelly.
Where's Shelly?
She's with Marvin.
Where's Marvin?
He's with...
No, just take me to him, Shane.
Alright!
Hey, Mom, I'm gonna go out and take out some yawnbies.
Carl, don't go! It's too dangerous!
Mom, I'm almost 12 already. I can take care of myself.
Carl, I said you can't go, and that's that!
You never let me have any fun!
Daryl, can you watch Carl for a while?
Why can't you?
I'm a sock puppet, not a zombie slave mom.
You're a bad family.
Ah, finally alone. Now to go and eat some bonbons and watch gladiator movies.
So that is why paper balls killed in the end. Ah, I never would have thought about that.
Ooh, a penny! Carl?
Dad?
Carl!
Dad, you got fat.
Carl!
What?
Carl, go to your room.
I don't have a room.
Shane, what does he have instead of a room?
You got a sleeping bag.
Carl, go to your sleeping bag.
Dang it!
Who's that?
That's Daryl Porkins. He eats a lot. He's a good fighter, though.
What's he eat?
Deep fried squirrel.
I'm pretty good at hunting, too.
Taste any good?
Shelly! Shelly, are you okay?
Yeah, Shane kept us safe.
Thanks, Shane. You're welcome, Rick. Squirrels.
Daryl sure knows how to cook squirrel.
Yeah. It's a yawner. Shelly, get behind me.
I need to go get Carl. Wow!
No, Shelly, no! No, Shelly! I should have been there for you. Should have killed that yawner. It's okay, Rick. We'll find a new sock puppet. Maybe even a sock monkey. Keep them sock monkeys away from me. They creep me out. Yep, you're welcome.
It's not safe here. I mean, that yarn just came through the door. We should go.
You see this hat?
Yeah.
Means I'm in charge.
Alright, what should we do?
This isn't democracy. We should vote on who we leave behind.
Wait, what? Why?
Carl, get back in the house.
We don't have a house.
Oh, Shelly, if you were still here, you'd make Carl go back in the house.
I think he's nuts.
What tipped you off? Alright, Porkins is a good fighter, but he eats a lot.
I don't think we should leave anyone behind. Except Carl, of course.
Maybe we should leave you behind, Shane.
Why should we leave anyone behind?
We ain't got enough food for all of us.
You just got here. How do you know how much food we have?
Alright, I vote we leave Carl behind. All in favor?
Yep.
You guys stink.
Shut us down there.
Okay, Carl. You're gonna stay here and take care of Shelly.
Shelly's dead.
Oh, Shelly, why?
Come on, Rick. Let's get out of here.
You're a bad parent.
So what's your story, Darrell? I got picked up by this guy and this chick. We went to a cabin in the desert. Well, right around wintertime, we got attacked by a group of yawnbies. Had to jump out the window to escape. Barely made it out alive.
Wow.
Yep. So what's your story, Shane?
I got picked up by these two guys and this girl. I think it was the same one Darrell was with.
Oh.
But anyway, the yawners, they swarmed the house and they got in. So we tried to run But this yawner, never seen anything like it. Just like came up and tackled me like a football player.
Oh no.
And they just kept on running. They left me.
That's.
And I was on my own. I walked for several days, maybe even a week, I don't know. And then I found Shelly and Carl in a dumpster.
In a dumpster.
Yeah.
Well, Yawnbee Apocalypse can sure have some sad stories. Yep, they can have funny moments though too.
Carl? You guys really stink. I thought you were kidding about leaving me.
Oh,
yeah,
we were. That was. You'd find us. Yeah.
Oh, do you guys have any food?
Actually, I think I got some squirrels over here.
Never mind. I think I'm good.
Oh wait, I got some granola right here. Some
More squirrels from me,
Oh,
then.
thanks.
So, by the way, Shane, thanks for looking after Shelly for me.
Oh, you're welcome, Rick.
Is everything okay, or is there?
Well, if I tell you, you have to promise you won't get mad.
Okay.
Well, me and Shelly,
All right.
we went on a
Yeah.
date. Sorry, you all right?
No, man, I'm pretty far from all right.
Shelly, are you okay?
Yeah, Shane kept us safe.
Squirrels.
He likes to fried squirrels.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Hope y'all ate good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a yawner! Get behind me, Shelly!
I gotta go get Carl.
That's how it happens. It's not happening. I'm joking.
Sorry.
Get yourself together, man. Alright, Porkins is a good fighter, but he eats a lot, so.
Was I supposed to say something?
Alright, Porkins is a good fighter, but he eats a lot.
I don't think we should leave anybody behind.
I think Porkins is a good fighter, but he does eat a lot.
You know, I don't think we should leave anyone behind.
Oh.
Except Carl.
Maybe we should leave you behind, Shane.
Why?
Why should we leave anyone behind?
Is that me?
I don't know.
Oh, gosh, line up.
Alright, Porkins is a good fighter, but he does eat a lot.
I don't think we should leave anyone behind. Except Carl.
Maybe we should leave you behind, Shane. What? Why should we leave any of us behind?
I don't think we have enough food to go around.
I was under the impression he was supposed to say something.
No, because I tell you that you don't know nothing about food.
No,
You don't know anything about our food supplies.
I'm almost. Alright, Porkins a good fighter.
Yep.
But he eats a lot.
I don't think we should leave anyone behind. Except Carl.
Maybe we should leave you behind, Shane.
Why should we leave any of us behind?
We ain't got enough food for all of us.
You just got here. How do you know how much food we have?
Alright, I vote we leave Carl behind. All in favor?
Yep.
You guys stink.
Carl, you stay here and take care of Shelly.
Shelly's dead.
Oh, Shelly, why?
Why is everyone looking at me?
I don't know what's next.
Cut it. So, Daryl, what's your story? Darrell, what's your story? Well, I got picked up by this guy and this chick. We went to a cabin in the desert. Well, around winter, a group of yawnbies attacked us. I had to jump out a second-story window just to get out.
Wow.
about shooting?
Well, I'd appreciate if you didn't cut off my friend Rick.
So what's your story, Daryl?
Derail.
I got picked up by this guy and this chick. We went to a cabin in the desert. Well, right around wintertime, this group of yawnbies attacked. Had to jump out a window to escape, and barely made it.
Wow. Yep.
So what about my story?
Hello?